Okay, so today we're going to talk about converting to vertex form. And it's not actually that bad. It just takes a couple things for you to realize from yesterday and from the days before. Because there's a couple pieces of information we'd like to know from vertex form. A, if you remember, is always the slope. The nice part about that is it's the same as the number in front of the x squared. H is the x value of the vertex. So it's the x value of the vertex, and it's the opposite x value. So it's the negative x value, because we want to make the inside 0. And k is just the y value. So that's it. So we're going to, for this, all we're going to find is we're going to make this the same as that in front of here. We're going to make h the x value of the vertex and k the y value of the vertex. And if you remember before, the vertex in standard form is negative b over 2a. So when we go over here, we're going to do negative b, which is 12, over 2a, which is 2 times 1. And that's going to give us 6. So our x value is 6. So when I'm plugging this in, I'm going to have y equals a, which is 1, x, and we're going to take this, but it's opposite, so minus 6. And now we have to find k. And we're going to find k by taking this number right here and plugging it back into these spots. So when I plug 6 into those spots right there, I would get 6 squared minus 12 times 6 plus 48. And that's going to give me 12. So since that's going to give me 12, I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to put plus 12. And that will be my final answer in vertex form. Again, this a term is just the slope, or the term in front of right here. This is going to be the opposite of the x vertex, and this is going to be the opposite of the y, or the same as the y vertex. Let's try another problem. So when I see this problem, again, I want to put it into vertex form, which is this right here. And when I put it into vertex form, this is the x vertex, but it's the opposite. And this is just the y vertex. So we're going to go over here and find these pieces of information. And this is just the same as that first term. It's the same as the a term. So I'm going to have so far y equals 2x, and we have to find the negative of the x vertex. And we're going to find this by doing our negative b over 2a, which is going to give us negative 36 over 2 times 2, which is 4, and negative 36 divided by 4 equals negative 9. So when I take this in here, since I'm going to take its opposite, I'm going to have positive 9. Now I have to find the y vertex. I'm going to find the y vertex by taking this and plugging it in. So I should have, when I do that, I'll pick a different color now, 2 times negative 9 squared plus 36 times negative 9 plus 170. When I do all that, that would equal 8. So I would just put that at the end, so plus 8. And that would be my final answer. That's how you do every single one of these problems. Try some of these problems on your classwork.